Unicorn woman. When you think of a person with horns, you usually think of the devil, but there is nothing supernatural about the following story. This is Liang Zhu-shen, a Chinese woman who was 87 years old at the time of this incident. In 2015, she decided to see a doctor because of a strange growth that had been bothering her for years. It all started 8 years before these images were taken. At first, Liang simply noticed a strange black mole on her forehead. It was constantly itching and gradually turning into a small horned formation. A few years later, it suddenly snapped off and a horn began to grow in its place, reaching as much as 13 centimeters in length. You can imagine how inconvenient it was for the poor woman. When Liang finally approached the scientist with her problem, it turned out that it was too dangerous to operate on. She has a rare skin tumor growing on her forehead, which may look like wood or coral over time. In 80% of cases, these growths are benign. Unfortunately, scientists are not entirely sure what causes these tumors, but the most likely reason is sunlight and the human papillomavirus.